Hi everyone, I am Karan and welcome to Karan's Gyan. Today I'll talk about companies that would benefit from the defense sector ban imposed by the government of India. As you know, the government of India has banned the import of 101 defense equipment or defense items, and this is a really good move by the government of India because India is one of the biggest importers of foreign defense equipment, and by indigenously developing and manufacturing these equipment, India would be saving billions of dollars. Now, let us understand the companies that would benefit from this move. So, before going into the companies, let us understand what are the items that are banned. So, items that are banned are artillery guns, assault rifles, sniper rifles. So, we can't map a company, a listed company, to these products because Indian Ordnance Factory makes these products, and Indian Ordnance Factory is not a listed entity. Next is Corvette. So Corvette is a small naval ship that is an attack-based naval ship. And to see the companies that would benefit from the ban of Corvettes, we would have to look for shipbuilders in India. Now, sonar systems, radars, simulators, and weapon systems. So we will have to look for electronic manufacturing companies that deal specifically to the Indian Army. Next is transport aircraft, light combat aircraft, light combat helicopters, and unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs. So we got one company which is known as HAL that manufactures all these four products. Next, we have products such as missiles, torpedoes, anti-submarine warfare systems, and we got a very famous PSU Navratna Bharat Dynamics that manufactures most of these products. So let us see the companies that will benefit from this policy. Now, the first company is Bharat Dynamics, like I mentioned. Bharat Dynamics manufactures lightweight torpedoes, heavyweight torpedoes, manufactures submarine fire decoys. So submarine fire decoys satisfies anti-submarine warfare systems. You got torpedoes, both type of torpedoes. Next, missiles. So when talking about missiles, it makes weapon fired missiles from T-90 tanks. It has medium range surface to air missiles. It has Milan 2T. It has Akash weapon system, and it has CMDS, which is countermeasures dispensing system, used to block incoming homing missiles. Next, we'll talk about HAL. So HAL makes LCAs. LCA here is light combat aircraft, which is Tejas specifically speaking. It manufactures LCH, light combat helicopters, and it is getting into the industry of drones. So HAL doesn't outrightly manufacture drones. It actually came into an agreement with IAI. So as you can see, IAI is written here, and this is a Heron MK2 drone. So IAI is Israeli Aerospace Industries, and HAL and IAI actually came into a pact where IAI would manufacture these drones while HAL would service these drones. Moreover, they came into an agreements for transfer of technology in the future if need be. So since government has made such a move in which it won't import drones anymore, it seems that IAI and HAL deal may go through, sponsored by the Indian government, of course. So we'll see HAL soon making drones, and especially Heron MK2 drones. Next, Bharat Electricals Limited. So, Bharat Electricals Limited is again the electronics company that manufactures electronic related products for the Indian military. Specifically, that I'm speaking are sonar systems. I'm talking about simulators, and I'm talking about weapon systems, even radars, so to speak. So, talking about BEL, we got simulators for air defense weapon simulator system, simulator for L-70 gun upgrade. We've got observer simulators, we've got mortar simulators. Next, we got sonar systems that is made by BEL. integrated submarine sonar, advanced active cum passive integrated sonar system. Then we got surveillance radars, which is battlefield surveillance radar, again medium range and short range, air defense radars, surveillance systems, again battlefield surveillance system, combat management system, coastal surveillance system, air defense control and reporting system. So it manufactures a variety of radars, surveillance systems, sonar systems, and simulators. So again, a big boom for Bharat Electricals. Next, Cochin Shipyard. So as you recall, I talked about something called Corvettes. So we gotta look for shipbuilders that have made Corvettes in the past and are ready to make Corvettes in the future. So here the winner is not Reliance Naval but Cochin Shipyard. Cochin Shipyard is again a PSU company, and Cochin Shipyard in 2019 signed a contract for 8 anti-submarine warfare corvettes, and I believe it would sign a new contract regarding corvettes because India is in dire need for anti-submarine warfare corvettes, because China has strong presence in the Indian Ocean. It uses Hambota port in Sri Lanka that it acquired on a 99-year lease for submarine purposes. So a lot of submarines have been spotted in the Indian Ocean using Poseidon P5 aircraft surveillance system that Indian Air Force has. So India feels that it needs anti-submarine warfare a lot and would be spending more money on corvettes in the future. So guys, these are the shares that would benefit extremely from the defense ban: Cochin Shipyard, Bharat Electricals Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, and Bharat Dynamics. So guys, these are the four shares that would benefit a lot, and I hope you like my video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.